Welcome to Winning Products.
And so if you're going to look at a new product called electrostatic static clothing dust bed hair cleaner remover, brush suction sweeper for home office travel cleaning brushes. And this is a winning product because it solves a particular problem. And what is that problem? Dust bed hair cleaner remover. That is a solution to the problem. It removes hair from your clothes and dust from your clothes. The hair of the pets on your clothes, maybe after um, having a quality time with your pets, and in the process, the hair of the pets fall or is attached to your clothes, or maybe during the pet's own time, quality time, playing around the house is the process. Such pet hair um, got attached to your clothes, so it's a good product to remove such. I currently have 4.7 star reviews on AliExpress with 1,047 reviews and 3,372 orders. Um, you can negotiate the price with Sami Party and event store, but I will advise you should not use this supplier. We'll see that in a moment. It comes different color variation, as you can see. The shipping is free, but it's shipped from China to United States via Canyon Super Economic Global. It's made deliveries on June 3rd, as you can see. And you can sell this product. The tracking is also unavailable. Tracking unavailable. So I would suggest to go with this supplier. Let's look at other supplier for the products. As you can see, this CJ Dropshipping. CJ Dropshipping is an independent supplier. We're going to use this for as our supplier rather for the products. It's stated as an electrostatic hair remover brush. The product price between 0.40 USD to 1.09 USD. It comes with this is a color variation that it comes with. The shipping fee is stated, likewise the service fee, and the total drop shipping price is 5.51 USD to 9.34 USD. As you can see, if we look at the section of CJ dropshipping, it's shipped from China. It can be connected to your Shopify, Woocommerce, or Store. I suggest you use mainly the US as a target location. Shipped to the United States. Shipping method is CJ packet ordinary. Because of if we exceed 20 days, the customers may get angry and you start having returns and chargeback. So that is why we decide to use CJ dropshipping. The estimated delivery time is between 10 to 18 days if you decide to use CJ packet ordinary. I suggest you use CJ dropshipping as a supplier if you decide to sell this product. As a marketing strategy, I suggest you target USA and UK Instagram and cat influencers. You also target USA and UK TikTok cat influencers. You also target USA and UK YouTube cat influencers. You will need to also target YouTube search ads. You need to use YouTube search ads rather as your marketing strategy. You also need to use YouTube video ads. The proposed trading result for electrostatic hair remover brush, the cost price is 9.05 USD. The total shipping cost which is paid is 8.25 USD. That's proposed on CJ dropshipping. The gross profit will be between 25.69 USD if you decide to sell at 42.99 USD. You can also sell at 43.99 or 43.95 USD.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.